Hi guys, welcome to our channel, her channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm joined by
Foyin. Hi.
Aren't you hot?
No.
Okay. So today we're going to take on
a challenge.
A challenge.
A challenge.
Challenge.
A challenge.
We're gonna try and do drag makeup.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna try, we're gonna do drag makeup today. Today we're doing drag makeup. Okay, we're gonna follow a drag makeup tutorial. I came across one a few weeks ago and I literally, it injected life into my spirit, into my soul. I was like, you know what? Drag makeup artists invented.
They invented what, without them there is no us.
Basically.
They walked so that we could run. They crawled so that we could fly on YouTube. They invented cut creases, contour, snatched nose. Mariah Carey is shaking at the skinniness of their nose. What you know about a highlight.
Yeah.
They did that.
Yeah.
They created that. So we wanted to pay homage.
To them.
Yeah.
As respectfully as possible without making ourselves look like idiots.
Yeah. This is a serious attempt. Like, we really wanted to try.
Yeah.
Like, I wanted to try this for the longest time, but I just have not found the courage.
Yeah, to do it by, I also wanted to do it, I was like, I don't want to do this by myself, like, no.
So we're gonna do this together, emotional support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Quick substitute for one product. We don't have glue to glue our eyebrows down. So I remember they have this brow conditioning primer from Benefit that sort of feels like you're gluing your stuff down anyway.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna just put on a whole lot of concealer.
So, if anything, I think that's where we should start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, it's me, Mayhem Miller from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 10, and I'm gonna show you how I do a basic beauty face. We transform this into this. First go in the direction of the hair and then I rub in. When you're doing this in the dressing room with other girls, because you use your middle finger, and you let them know, bitch, I don't like you.
I think that's the part I'm most excited about, is giving myself new eyebrows. Because I'm just like, if I could have new eyebrows in this life, where would my arch be?
You have more eyebrows than me.
I know, I was just thinking I should have trimmed them a bit just so that I can, because now I have
You might have to put a lot on.
Yeah, and I'm trying to like comb them upwards.
Okay. Our next step is going to be concealer. I'm going to be using a powerful one, MAC. I just know that these ones cover up tattoos. What shade concealer are you using for your...
I'm just using my normal highlight shade, my dark warm, which is probably a mistake.
That's a mistake. You should use your actual foundation.
Okay, so then I'm going to use the MAC.
Yeah.
As well. You
okay,
see what I'm
show
doing?
your palette.
Finish everything. Like, don't judge our palettes, guys.
This is where I'm glad I have, like, barely, I don't have any brows. Like, I'm already there. I'm already halfway there. By the way, the guy we're watching is so fabulous. His name is MAYHEM Miller.
Nice.
He is so fabulous.
I think this is a...
I start off with my highlight, and you highlight, you know, your T-zone, all the features you want to pop out. The bridge of my nose, above my lip, under my eyes, and forehead, brow bone. I go in with my darker color to fill in the blanks. So down my nose, cheeks, forehead, neck, and a lot of girls forget this part. You need to get all your neck. I'm
gonna use these Elizabeth Arden Stroke of Perfection concealers. These are concealer sticks. I don't know how full coverage they are, because I don't think Elizabeth Arden does full coverage like that, but we're gonna see. I took the shade Light, because he's using a Caucasian shade.
Like using like Nikki tutorial shade.
This is too light. It's not full coverage. Also, then I also use Urban Decay.
Yeah. And he's blending with his hands. I don't want to do that.
No, I'm not
doing that. Like, no.
We're not blending with our hands.
We're not going to do that. I'm like, do I blend the foundation into the concealer? Do I just blend the foundation and then the concealer?
And go like that. And you start going in. Just rub it all around. Making sure everything is even as well. You don't want to have too much product in certain places because once you powder on top of it, it will crumble and flake off. Don't be silly and make crumbs out of your face, girl. This is where I get a foundation brush out. Try to blend a little bit more of them lines.
It's really quiet over there.
You
feel good, right?
Yeah.
Like
this is we're here now.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna add just a little bit lighter color underneath my eye.
How? Again? Do I even have any other lighter? I forgot that there's the shapeshifter palette and there's this like
God damn it!
That shade.
Yes.
It's just making it a bit lighter. I keep going around my eyebrows forgetting that there's no eyebrow.
Oh my god. I want to try Halloween makeup this year, but yeah. I'm not even, I just don't have, I'm not an artist, like I'm not a makeup artist. Like you guys learn about like costume makeup and stuff in school. I
didn't actually do the prosthetics module, so that's something I want to go back to do, because I want to do like the blood and the cuts and stuff. Like I can do all the creative blah blah blah, but like where's the fun in that without like blood and cuts and cutting your face open and stuff. But like this year I also wanted to do some like Halloween tutorials. Like I don't do Halloween, but it just seems like a fun,
just like, one
fun
video.
Challenge.
You have to do like one video every day. Okay, ready for the next step?
Yeah.
I'm a chemist when it comes to doing my makeup, and it took me a long time to figure out what works for me. You just get a whole bunch of different ones and you just start mixing it up, and it's like a recipe, girl. You just keep playing until you find what is good for you. Let's get this highlight powder together right now. Boom, right there. Take her up, press her in. Don't be scared. Beat your face, girl. Whatever you do on one side, do on the other.
We gonna bake today.
Boom. So you powder your neck, and since you took that foundation way up in here, you go with it. You don't want them knowing you're a man. You're a woman. Come on, get it together. Boom. Right there at the tip. You want this nose to turn up, honey, like you're an uppity bitch.
I don't know when to stop. I just keep going back. Like I just keep putting more powder. I don't know when to stop.
There's nothing like too much, I feel like.
Because it'll all just go away, so we just keep going. Please, can we spray our face at some stage?
I don't think he sprays face.
Yo, I just need some moisture. Yes! I told you. I was like, we need some spray.
But he didn't even blend anything out.
It's just so that you don't feel like...
Trying to add some colors and some depth in your face. It's time to go in and start contouring. I'll get some of my highlighting powder and I go up underneath my eye. Let's do the chin again. Let's do the forehead. Bam. Just a little dot, bitch. Right there. Just dust her down. And start shading in the sides of your forehead. A rainbow, just go like this. Boom. Other side, boom. Go like that. Remember, do like that. Open your eye. Like that. It's coming.
Gosh! Damn! But that's what he looks like! He's got black hair.
Yeah, actually.
That's literally what he looks like.
I don't do a dark contour on my nose because I try to keep it not too crazy. Start shaping it. Take it down the bridge to the tip. And then go up into the brow right there. And then get up underneath in here too. See that? And this is like a warm burgundy color. And I just soften that up a little bit. To soften up that darker contour. You do the same for your cheeks and then blend it all together.
Powder is just not up in my nose.
Yeah.
But it can't sneeze, otherwise my whole face going to disappear.
Add some blush. I like to use a lot of pinks, reds, orange on my skin tone. See, just warm that up a little bit. And now I'm gonna kiss it with some pink right now. Right there, right on the apple. Boom, boom. I highlight right up in here, just to clean up and sharpen that blush line just to give it a little bit more definition. Oh, she's coming together. Oh my god.
Usually when I bake for like maybe like 2 minutes tops. I feel like we're gonna keep this powder on until we're finished.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's time to start doing eyes. So I just put a little bit, because this is what's gonna hold my shadows. Go back into your highlight and start doing this right up in here.
We need to prime our eyes. Do you want to use like what, this Eden one, because this is light?
I was gonna use soft ochre.
Oh yeah, that's light as well. Cool. I was literally thinking, what if when I leave here, I'm like, I should take the makeup off before I go.
I'm not getting an eye infection.
From what?
Too much powder?
You do your lid, a nude shadow, and start with the inner eye. And you can go as far in as you like. I like to go just a little bit further than like where my eye ends. I just like to go just a little bit out. And then do the inner lid with this nude. And the same over here. Get a little bit of her, and then go and do the rest of your lid. Like that. And these are actually blushes. It don't have to just be blush. It could be eyeshadow too. See? Now it's time to do your crease. Just follow up in there and make it meet the contouring that you did with your nose. And I'm gonna start digging out that crease a little bit more. Follow that burgundy down here. This is where I bring the black into the situation. You can always build on top of it. Don't get crazy.
I'm gonna use even my tiniest ass brush. Like I'm not playing. Almost cutting a crease pretty much. But I guess in the grand scheme of things, it'll all come together.
Listen, the look-at line is gonna kill me.
You
remember how it looked like?
Get your mascara and just coat your lashes. There you go. So now I get my gel liner. Start with the inner corner of your eye and follow the line. Just do the bottom. You gotta be really in control of what's about to happen. I'm gonna start at the corner, just a little bit outside the corner, and pull it up.
We didn't have to do much because if you went ham with your black liner, all you have to do is just connect like goo.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just saying, you know that. Oh shit, look at it done.
Yeah, you see now.
Bam! Bitch, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay. Let's work on some brows. Get your pencil and put it on the edge of your nostril. And then you make a little dot right here. Boom. Where you want your eyebrow to start. You want to be right there. See how you marked it? And then look where your eye is and where the end of your color of your eye. You make a mark over here. Boom. And then you connect the motherfucking dots. Boom. See how she meet? That's where the arch of your brow needs to stop. And then when you get there, you gotta bring her down. Swoop. There she is.
See, now imagine how this would look if our brows actually disappeared. That would have been amazing.
We gonna put in my contacts. I like rocking my natural eye color, but for stage, I really enjoy just enhancing it a little bit. It changes up everything. I think I want to put some stones, some rhinestones on it. Get some glue, and you start dotting where you want your stones at. So I want one here. I want one over here. I want one down here.
So we don't have rhinestones, we don't have contact lenses.
We just don't skip one. We're just gonna skip past that.
Now, lashes. I like to use a good 301 lash. It's big, dramatic, has a little flair to her. If you're not wearing the 301, you ain't doing drag. I'm gonna double stack these today. And I like to put my lash not on my lash line, just above it. And I don't use tweezers. I like using my fingers, as you've seen throughout this whole tutorial. You just have more control. So you're nearly done. You want to go ahead and dust off all your powder.
So wait, he doesn't do highlight though.
Maybe he's gonna do it at the end. Okay, so we're gonna put some highlighter on because I feel shocked and betrayed by the fact that that was not shown. They invented the nose highlight, so y'all not gonna tell me they don't highlight. Oh, there's nothing. What do you know about this?
What?
What? I'll wait.
Put your lipstick in the shade that you love.
Okay, I haven't used candy gum since the day I bought it.
I don't line my lips. I am very fortunate to have nice, full, juicy lips. You want the back row to know, ooh, that bitch got pink lips. The girls get mad at me because I like to make my lips hemorrhage, honey. I want gloss. So I just go with a clear gloss on top of that. Just to give her some shine.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Juice, honey. Oh. Ooh. Just a little bit more blush. She's here. And this is the final look. This is a simple, I'm going out and I'm gonna have me a good old party night, honey. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at @TheOnlyMayhem. I will see you soon. Mwah.
Where is it starting?
The suspense is pounding and clouding up my head. I'm checking your
Where's the beat?
I'm waiting for it. It's coming. It's coming. Just be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready.
Treat me like you do. Devotion on you. How deep is your love?
Child. That was fun.
That's the most fun I've had actually filming a tutorial.
Oh, thank you so much.
That's actually the most fun I've had.
Oh.
100%. Thank you to Foyin for joining me on this video. I think she killed it.
Thank you. I think I killed it. If I do say so myself. I think you killed it too. Look at you. Snatched.
So, we also did a video on Foyin's channel, so make sure you go and check her out. Subscribe to her channel as well. So Jen, she's a dime. She's a 1 in a million.
Oh,
so we did the Mukbang challenge on her channel. So if you want to see us eat a whole bunch of food,
yeah,
then you might as well just
hop
on over. Cool guys, see you next time.